Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back once again with the ANET ET4. My friends, this is a design I made in Tinkercad, and I called it the Pineapple Twist. It has an airsoft BB in it, and then I drop the BB in while it's printing. That way it's completely closed, so it's kind of like the old ship in a bottle project. And when you're done, when you flip it over, it has a spiral that lets the marble go up or down every time you flip it. Well, I found a bag of marbles that I'd collected, so this is larger and heavier than an airsoft BB, and I'm just going to drop it in. So what I did was I opened my original project in Tinkercad, scaled it up, and then I'll show you on Tinkercad how I did it. I actually made a sphere the size of this marble so that I could prove that it was going to work. And now I'm just waiting for the right moment to drop it in, and then when we're done, I'll be able to show you how it looks when it's finished. Now, one of the bonuses of this scaling is there's a lot more room for me to get in here and drop it in. Dropping the airsoft BB was difficult because you don't want to get close to the hot end. This is actually pretty simple. When this slides forward, right here, I'll be able to drop it in. There we go. So now that'll completely finish printing, and you'll have a hard time telling how it happened. I didn't do any math on when I came up here. It was just 35 minutes of the almost 2-hour print, and it was at 33%, and I could see by eyeballing that that marble would fit inside. And if you did drop it in too early, well, then you'd have troubles with collisions. So it's good, I guess, to wait to at least 30% so that it'll sink down in and the project will be able to complete without running into the marble or whatever cool shape you decide to add. You could also, as it got taller, add more marbles, which is something I may explore at a later date. Alrighty, friends, so here we are in Tinkercad. This is a copy of Pineapple Twist. You guys can get your own one of these. If you type Pineapple Twist and then click search, if it doesn't show up in these main ones, instead of sorting by likes, you can quickly hit latest, and mine should be somewhere. There it is. If you do launch it, if you want to help me out, make sure you give it a like so that it shows up in the likes so people can see it faster and they can do the editing that I'm doing right now. So all I did is I took the original design, I unlocked everything, and I'll do that again right now. Make sure nothing is locked. And then I held down shift and I had it grow. So I'm going to hide this little piece right now because I don't want to grow the sphere. And if you hold shift, it grows in every direction. Now once I did that, I unlocked or ungrouped these parts, and I took this inside one and I adjusted it so that it did a different number of twists and it reached out where I wanted, and I kind of like the way this one turned out. I'm sort of happy. I'm not going to put this on Thingiverse yet because I just don't think it's perfect. I want to print it clear so that it moves exactly the way I want. But I want you to know that, hey, it's out there. If you guys want to make one faster than me, you know, game on. The first one to make the awesome one is the winner in my book. Things I noted from what I built. I did not come all the way out to the edge because I didn't think the sphere needed it. I'm questioning now whether maybe that was a smart or maybe that wasn't the smartest choice ever. I also took the brown thing in the middle and I made it thinner on the new version. It went from 2 to 1.5. You can't go past that outside diameter, so that's going to be something. If we want it bigger, I'm going to do Alt Shift and show you this. We can grow it so it grows wider, but then it's going to mess up the twist. So those are things that you can play with as you try and make it exactly the way you want. If I do that Alt Shift now, I can squeeze it in and it gets closer. D, drop it down to the bottom. So you can see there are lots of ways we can vary this to make it as incredible as we want as we move towards our awesome Pineapple Twist marble run. Alrighty, friends, so it is 2 hours later. Let's see what we made. Peel off the raft. There you can see it's hollow inside, and when we flip it around, the marble goes from end to end. Alrighty friends, it may not be the most incredible thing I've ever created, but it was super fun and I'm looking forward to playing with it some more. I wish I had transparent filament because I think that'd look pretty sweet. Maybe I'll try and light it up as well, see what it'd look like if there was an LED inside there, but there's a lot of room to play, and since it's a Tinkercad file, you guys can adjust it and make it even cooler on your own. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.